How can I design a Python function to print a matrix with only the forward diagonal elements set to true? I'm trying to print an n*n matrix with only the forward diagonal elements set to true and the rest to false. Here's my code. I'm baffled as to why the true values are spreading through the entire matrix instead of remaining confined to the cells where I equals j. Desired output for n equals 5. Current output for n equals 5. What could be the issue here?
The problem is that the shorthand you're using to create lists actually just creates copies of the same list. You can check this with the ID function.
The reason is that multiplying with asterisk does not create new object, as Toby Petty mentioned. The way to fix would be
If you want to support the channel,